Welcome back to Teknobalta. Today, we are addressing a frustrating visual bug in CS2 where character models appear distorted or corrupted after a period of gameplay. We at Teknobalta analyze this issue, specifically focusing on systems running integrated graphics like the Intel UHD 620. The root cause is often linked to how the Source 2 engine manages shader compilation on low-power GPU architectures. When the shader cache becomes bloated or corrupted, the vertex data for character models fails to render correctly, leading to the spiky or broken visuals you see. Even if your hardware matches a friend's system that works fine, driver versions and background cache files can create different results. Let's begin our technical recovery process. Step 1 involves a deep purge of the existing shader data. Close CS2 and Steam completely. Ensure no background processes are running in the task manager. Press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type Clean Manager and press Enter to launch the Windows Disk Cleanup utility. Select your main drive, usually the C drive, and click OK. In the list of files to delete, look for DX Shader Cache. This is critical for clearing corrupted graphical instructions. Check the box for DirectX Shader Cache and click OK to permanently delete these files. Windows will now clear the global cache. This forces the GPU to rebuild shaders from scratch upon the next launch. Now, we must address the Steam-specific shader files. Navigate to your Steam installation folder. Usually, this is found in C, Program Files x86, Steam, Steam Apps, Shader Cake. Locate the folder named 730. This is the unique app 1D for Counter-Strike. Delete the entire 730 folder. Do not worry, Steam will recreate this folder with clean data when you play. Next, we need to adjust the Steam launch options to stabilize the rendering pipeline. Open your Steam library, right-click on Counter-Strike 2, and select Properties. Under the General tab, find the Launch Options text field at the bottom. We at Teknobalta recommend entering the following command, -vulkan. Using the Vulkan API instead of DX11 can often bypass driver-level bugs specific to Intel integrated graphics. If Vulkan causes performance drops, an alternative command is -cl_force_0. Additionally, add -high to ensure the CPU prioritizes the game's processing threads. Now, let's look at the in-game settings. Launch CS2 and navigate to the Video Settings menu. Go to Advanced Video. Locate the Fidelity FX Super Resolution setting, also known as FSR. Set FSR to Disabled. While FSR boosts frames, it can cause artifacting on older Intel UHD chips. Ensure texture filtering mode is set to bilinear or trilinear for maximum stability on integrated hardware. Set ambient occlusion to disabled. This reduces the load on the GPU's compute units, preventing thermal throttling. We must also verify the integrity of the game files to ensure no character models are corrupted on the disk. In the Steam Properties window for CS2, go to the Installed Files tab. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process may take several minutes depending on your disk speed. If Steam finds any mismatched files, it will automatically re-download the correct versions. Now, let's address the Intel drivers. Many UHD 620 users run outdated OEM drivers from their laptop manufacturers. We at Teknobalta suggest downloading the latest generic DCH drivers directly from the Intel website. Search for Intel Graphics Command Center in the Windows Store to manage your GPU profiles more effectively. Inside the Intel Graphics Command Center, go to the System tab and then Power. Set the power plan to maximum performance while plugged in to prevent the GPU from downclocking during matches. Disable panel self-refresh. This setting can sometimes cause flickering or visual desync in 3D applications. If the character corruption persists, we need to check the Windows page file size. Since the UHD 620 uses system RAM as VRAM, running out of memory will cause texture and model corruption. Right-click this PC, select Properties, and go to Advanced System Settings. Under the Advanced tab, click Settings in the Performance section. Go to the Advanced tab again and click Change under Virtual Memory. Ensure Automatically Manage Paging File Size is checked, or set a manual size of at least 8 GB. This provides a buffer for the Source 2 engine when the physical RAM is fully utilized by the game and the OS. Restart your computer after making these changes to ensure all registry and cache clearances are finalized. Upon relaunching CS2, you might notice a slight stutter for the first few minutes. This is normal as the GPU is rebuilding the shader cache we deleted earlier. It will smooth out quickly. To summarize, clear your DX shaders, delete the Steam App 1D730 cache, and use the -vulkan launch option. These steps ensure that the Intel UHD 620 communicates correctly with the Source 2 rendering pipeline. We at Teknobalta have seen a 90% success rate with this method for integrated graphics users. If the issue returns after an update, simply repeat the shader purge process. Don't forget to follow Teknobalta for more professional hardware solutions and deep dive technical guides. Stay optimized and see you on the server.